Hey, Internet Land, this is your girl, Annetta Power, your success coach, okay? And I want to tell you, we've been talking about why you need a blog, but one thing I don't want you to do is be a lazy blogger, okay? Because that's the #1 pitfall where you won't make any money if you don't have a blog. Well, Annetta, what is a lazy blogger? A lazy blogger is somebody that is not consistent, that does not post daily. A lazy blogger is someone that just throw anything on the art, on their blog just to have something on there. A lazy blogger is somebody that just don't research the products that they sell when it comes to affiliate marketing. They just throw, affiliate links out there just to make money, okay? Listen. You got to understand that your blog is your business, and that's your brand. So whatever you put into your blog is what you're going to get out. So if you not posting anything, there's nobody there to actually build an audience from your, there's nobody there for you to build an audience. So if you don't have anything on your blog, what are people going to come look at? Okay. You have to take your internet marketing business seriously. You got to take it to the next level. If you go to my blog at AnnettaPowerOnline.com, okay, and you start with my very first post, May of 2010, all the way till now, guys, okay, I have valuable content, okay. My blog is very, very valuable, okay, and that's the key. I don't have a bunch of banners on my blog. I just have strictly valuable information, and it's there to build an audience so that I can find followers that are serious about changing their lives and making money on the internet and real estate investing. That's the key, okay? I have a few banners on there, but they are relevant to me. They have my face on my banners, and that's key. I'm not into selling any and everybody product and just throwing a blog together, okay? When I do things, guys, I take it very serious and I take it very personal, and I am a professional, okay? So I am going to make sure whatever I put out into the social media world is professional. I'm going to make sure whatever I write is good content, because at the end of the day, any and everything I do is attached to Annetta Power, okay? I don't want people out there saying, Annetta, write bad articles, okay? Because listen, negativity travels very, very fast. Good news, it takes time to build. And that's just, unfortunate, But, I know you want to see immediate results, guys. And I understand that. But listen, you're looking to build a wealthy business where you're going to make 6 figures on the internet, okay? If it was easy and if you can make fast money, it wouldn't be no opportunity for you, okay? Everybody is not built up, guys, to be bloggers. Everybody is not built up to have a blog, because a lot of people don't want to do what it takes to maintain it, okay? Just like you buy a car, right? What do you have to do? If you don't put oil in it, all right, if you don't wash it, if you don't clean it, that car will turn into what? A hoopty, okay? And so if you're not posting quality content on your blog and you just got it there and you just throwing anything, your blog will turn into what? A hoopty. And nobody will want to come visit your blog, and you won't make any money, and you're going to say, you know what? The home-based business is a scam, okay? The home-based business is a scam to people that don't like to work. It's worked for me. All my business ventures that I've done through the grace of God, because I'm definitely going to give him the glory, all right? All my business ventures that I've done, guys, have been successful, and I'm very grateful for that. But I put work into it, okay? And, like with my tax stores, I'm learning how to have great customer service, okay? Real estate investing, I'm learning how to be the best landlord and deliver to my clients that I sell houses overseas and take care of their houses good so that they can continue to do business with me. Internet marketing, I'm going to make sure I deliver an actual great article. I'm going to make sure when people sign up with me and I mentor them, I'm going to let them know off rip exactly what you need to do to be successful. Listen, I'm not going to hold your hand. I'm not going to call you. I'm not going to babysit you. I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do to be successful. It's simple. You know, you need to blog daily, stay consistent, keep your content out there, okay? If people don't actually take those actual nuggets, guess what? The next year, they're going to be looking for something else to invest in to make money. It don't work like that. Build you an audience, build you a following so you don't have to work so hard, okay? Since I've been on the internet since May of 2010, my ultimate goal was to build an audience and a following. And I've done a great job at that. I'm sure you all will agree with me. But at the end of the day, guys, my job is easy now. I don't have to go out looking for prospects. I don't have to go out looking for people. I'm right in my house cutting some videos today. Okay, all I'm going to do is post them on social media sites and build more audience and keep my actual followers engaged in me. Okay, so it's that simple. Okay, so with all that said, listen, don't be lazy. Do what you need to do to get to the next level on the internet. Some of you all been talking about you an internet marketer for 5, 10, 20, 30 years and ain't made no money. Listen. Get some consistency in your life. Get serious. Start reading. Start going to events. Take this serious. I guarantee you, instead of you having to work 30 years, if you take the time to learn this business, you know, within 3 to 5 years, you'll be making 5 to 6 figures monthly. But you got to believe. You got to have faith. Okay? Faith and work works together. You got to believe. You got to have faith. Okay? You can't have faith and you ain't doing nothing. You got to put the action. You know, you got to take the action steps to what you need to do. Believe and work comes hand in hand. Okay, you can have a dream, but if you're not doing anything to work towards that dream, you ain't going to make no money. You get it? So with all that said, you all have a great day and bye.